Today we are looking at the electric Alfa Romeo Giulia, a car that mixes Italian beauty with modern electric power. As the camera moves closer, the first thing you notice is the shape. The body is smooth and sharp at the same time. The front still has the classic Alfa Romeo face, with the famous triangular grille shape, but now it is mostly closed because this car does not need much air for cooling like a petrol engine. The badge sits proudly in the center, shining slightly as light hits it. The headlights are slim and aggressive, with clean LED lines that look alive when they turn on. The hood has soft curves that flow back into the windshield, giving the car a sporty and elegant look. From the side, the Giulia looks low and planted on the road. The wheels are large and aerodynamic, designed to reduce air resistance and improve range. The tires are wide, giving the car strong grip. The door handles sit flat with the body, popping out only when needed. The roofline slopes gently toward the rear, keeping the classic sedan shape but with a modern electric twist. At the back, the taillights are thin and sharp, connected by a subtle black strip. There are no exhaust pipes, reminding you that this car is fully electric. The rear bumper is clean and smooth, helping air flow easily around the car. Now let's talk about what's under the skin. This electric Giulia uses powerful electric motors instead of a traditional engine. The motors are compact and placed low in the car, helping with balance and stability. Power goes instantly to the wheels the moment you press the accelerator. There is no delay, no gear changes, just smooth and fast movement. The battery pack is mounted under the floor, stretching between the wheels. This lowers the center of gravity, making the car feel stable in corners and confident at high speeds. The battery is well protected and cooled, designed to last long and perform in all weather conditions. When you start the car, there is no loud sound. Instead, you hear a soft electronic tone that lets you know the car is ready. As you drive, the cabin stays quiet, allowing you to enjoy the ride. Acceleration is strong and smooth. The car feels quick, pushing you gently but firmly into the seat. City driving feels easy, with instant response and smooth braking thanks to regenerative braking, which helps recharge the battery when you slow down. On the highway, the car feels calm and stable, cruising effortlessly. Now let's step inside the electric Alfa Romeo Giulia. The door opens wide, and you are welcomed into a cabin that feels sporty and premium. The seats are shaped to hold you comfortably, with soft materials and detailed stitching. The driving position is low and focused, making you feel connected to the car. The steering wheel is thick and comfortable, with simple controls placed within easy reach. Behind it, a digital display shows speed, battery level, range, and driving mode in a clean and easy-to-read layout. The dashboard design is simple but elegant. A central touchscreen sits slightly angled toward the driver. It controls navigation, music, climate, and car settings. The screen is smooth and responsive, with clear icons and simple menus. Below it, physical buttons and knobs allow quick control without distraction. The materials used inside feel high quality, with soft-touch surfaces, metal accents, and optional leather finishes. Ambient lighting softly glows at night, creating a relaxed and modern atmosphere. The electric Giulia offers plenty of space for passengers. In the back seats, adults can sit comfortably, with good legroom and headroom. The flat floor, thanks to the electric platform, gives more space for feet. The trunk is spacious and practical, able to carry luggage, shopping, or daily items easily. There is also a small front storage area under the hood, perfect for charging cables. Technology plays a big role in this car. Advanced driver assistance systems help make driving safer and easier. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking work quietly in the background. The car also connects easily to smartphones, allowing access to calls, messages, and apps. Voice control lets you change settings or navigation without taking your hands off the wheel. Charging the electric Alfa Romeo Giulia is simple. At home, you can plug it in overnight and wake up to a full battery. On the road, fast charging allows you to add a lot of range in a short time. The charging port is neatly hidden in the body, opening smoothly when needed. The car system helps you find nearby charging stations and plan trips efficiently. Driving this car feels special. Even though it is electric, it still carries the Alfa Romeo spirit. The steering is sharp and direct, giving you confidence on winding roads. The suspension balances comfort and sportiness, absorbing bumps while staying firm in corners. Different driving modes allow you to choose between relaxed efficiency or more dynamic performance. In sport mode, the car feels more alive, with sharper throttle response and stronger acceleration. As the video comes to an end, the electric Alfa Romeo Giulia stands as a symbol of the future. It keeps the passion, style, and driving joy that Alfa Romeo is known for, while embracing clean electric technology. It is a car made for people who love driving, design, and innovation. Quiet, powerful, beautiful, and smart. This electric Giulia shows that going electric does not mean losing character. It simply means driving forward into a new era.